to are received from the PC will have to be logged into that file.
That's right. All the messages... Excuse me, there's a fax through from Richie. He says it's pretty urgent and he's going to give you a call in a few minutes, okay?
All right, thanks, Tim.
Sure.
Sorry about this, Ed. I wish I could read this fax. That must be Richie. Deborah Thompson. Yes, hi, Richie. Tim's just given me the fax. I can't read a few things on this, so if you will, the third product down under Northern Region. Oh, I see, that's OFT, right. And then the figures for March for TRZ, 4538, and for STX, 4978. These numbers are all wrong. Where did you get them?
Okay, and 19,748. Okay, thanks, Deborah. That looks much better. Yeah, I thought the numbers weren't quite right.
Oh, that's all right. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I just got off the phone with Deborah. No, completely wrong. Now, the right figures are for RTX is 32,424, BZD...
Organizations are becoming increasingly reliant on teamwork. Clearly, a team separated by time and distance find work that requires close cooperation difficult. One reason for this is poor communications and the limitations of available technology to support distributed team communications. At Hewlett-Packard, there's a joint program investigating cooperative multimedia applications at Pinewood Information Systems Division and Hewlett-Packard Corporate Research Laboratories. CoMedian is looking specifically at solving the problems involved with team communications. The system focuses on real-time person-to-person communications and integrates voice, video, and information sharing. The system is built around a client-server architecture. The Unix server provides a multitasking environment. It manages the different communications media available to each user. The clients are industry standard. They are Hewlett-Packard Vectras running the Hewlett-Packard New Wave Office environment. New Wave provides a consistent application interface for the user who has access to all current New Wave applications and encapsulated DOS applications. An infrastructure is provided over the server and clients, which supports the distributed application. The system provides both local and wide area network capabilities. At the heart of the CoMedian system is a distributed new wave object called the venue. A meeting is set up by opening a venue. The venue controls and coordinates communication between users and provides a shared environment for them to work in. Participants are selected by accessing the directory service. A request to convene a meeting may be made immediately, or the venue may be saved for use later. Once a meeting has been convened, depending on the available media, the users will be able to see and hear each other. In addition, new wave objects may be stored within the shared area and can be accessed by any of the participants. A CoMedian distributed whiteboard enables real-time window sharing between participants. It's possible to show information from any Windows application, annotate it, or simply use it as a whiteboard. The CoMedian system is not a product, but a development tool that will help us to understand this technology better and how it will be used to advantage in distributed teams. By using the ideas incorporated in CoMedian, we'll be able to complement current communication capabilities and add a valuable tool to team communications.
Hi, Deb, how are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you, Richie?
Hi, Richie. Haven't seen you for a while. I'll come round and talk to you sometime next week.
Oh, hello, Ed. Okay. Sorry about the interruption, by the way. Yeah, it shouldn't take too long. I just really need to speak to Deb for a moment about the end-of-the-month figures. Now, Deb, we're right at the end of the month, and they need to be out today, okay? Now, some of them look a very bit strange to me.
Well, which ones don't add up, then?
Well, they all look about as expected, except in the northern region. Now, I put them onto the whiteboard here.
Yeah.
Now, what I want to know is what on earth has happened up there. I mean, they've sold, well, it looks like they've sold twice the amount of RTX they were supposed to, half the amount of TRZ, and 1/3 of the amount of STX.
It even looks like they're selling STZ. Wasn't that product discontinued last year? You know, I think we should call Martin. He's the manager of the Northern Sales Region.
Fine.
He'll be able to tell us what's going on up there.
Hello, Martin speaking.
Hi Martin, this is Deb in Bristol and Richie's here as well.
Hello.
We've been discussing some sales figures for the northern region. They're on the surfboard. Could you open your surfboard up? A few things just don't add up.
Where on earth did you get these numbers from? An STZ? Wasn't that product discontinued? Look, erase everything you've got here. Now, I don't have a lot of time right now, but this should help. It's my monthly sales figures. The numbers in here are correct. I'm glad you called me before issuing this spreadsheet. Anything else?
No, that's great. Thanks, Martin. Bye.
Bye.
Well, what do you think, Richie? Is that good enough?
Okay. Yeah. Well, by the way, did you have you seen this New Wave mug?
No.
Yeah, they got the New Wave on that side, and there is a better way in there, and inside, more than just a pretty mug.
The CoMedian system has been designed to test and validate concepts through trials with real people and real tasks. It builds on the New Wave Office environment and provides a transparent interface for the user's existing applications. The system extends the communication capabilities available to teams by adding tools which are controlled through the user's workstation in a simple, friendly manner. CoMedian represents another step Hewlett-Packard is making towards a true cooperative computing environment.